And the reason why the Spaniards need to bring so many African slaves over here to the New World was the sugar, the need for sugar. So this right here is sugar country, sugarcane country. Yay! The Caribbean Ocean is back in front! Yo, whoa, 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 whoa! Finally, we see the ocean again. How about that? Green Caribbean Ocean right there next to us. Very nice. And that's how he died. Triumph or death is what they say. And he took a bullet in Bolivia. Gracias, Fidel. Yeah, that's who you can thank for having nothing. Nothing but poverty.
Good morning from Santa Clara. The sun is coming up. It's another beautiful morning to ride here in Cuba. Heading down to find the breakfast place, and then we'll be hitting the road at 9 o'clock. Go in and see the Che Guevara Mausoleum, and then from there we have a ride up the central highway of Cuba until Varadero. Nice beach area in Cuba, and we'll be swimming again in the Caribbean Ocean. I love it. Let's go.
Good morning from Cuba. We are ready to rumble, ready to ride, going to Che Guevara's memorial. All right, we are done here at La Granjita, like a little hotel resort in the countryside. What's up?
I think the rear is so flat.
Oh, it's flat?
I'll catch up though.
Yeah, I'll wait for you. Okay, we try again. We're coming out of La Granjita. We had 2 bikes with low air overnight. Seems like our dear bike supplier needs to get new tires on these bikes. Okay, another fuel stop. Another day. We're on the road to see the Che Guevara Mausoleum Museum, and we're right here in Santa Clara, Cuba. Let's see if we can get people out here for all the traffic. It's a little busy town. Alrighty, there they are, down at the very end, the rest of the group. Downtown Santa Clara, people waiting in line, horse carriages. Looks like a little electrical bike, a battery box on it. So many horse carriages still here. Main square of Santa Clara. I remember being here on our research trip. Nice town, but like all over Cuba, quite run down. Just really no money for maintenance, no real private enterprise, so very little to buy. Gracias, Fidel. Yeah, that's who you can thank for having nothing. Nothing but poverty. YouTube followers and viewers, we are arriving at the Che's Mausoleum. This is it. There he is, up on the pedestal. Hasta la victoria siempre. Let's go see the little museum. See where he lies after he was dug up and brought back here from Bolivia. Done with the mausoleum of Che Guevara. Hasta la victoria siempre. And that's how he died. Triumph or death is what they say, and he took a bullet in Bolivia. Done with that. Now we got 150 kilometers of highway coming up, and this is the first paved road in Cuba, built by Mr. Bacardi back in the day when Cuba was a happening place for alcohol and casinos and mafia bosses and Hollywood stars. Those days are definitely over, but we can enjoy a couple of the old gas stations here that fit the time era of the old cars. And then we'll make our way to Varadero, beautiful Caribbean beach, for an afternoon dip in the ocean. Yippee-dippee-doo! Okay, 150 clicks, here we go.
Thank you so much for watching along on my YouTube episodes here. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, or do a comment. It really helps the channel to get up in the algorithms, and it helps me continue to create content for you. So I hope you like it. So please follow along. Thanks a lot.
We're making our way north to Varadero. I got Mr. Roland Rowley in front of me, and I see a few of the other group up there ahead, taking it easy through town. 166 clicks to our final destination, and some beach time. A lot of columns in this town. Seems like they got a good deal on columns, put them on all houses. And here's quite a few bikes, not so many horse carriages. Maybe this is because we're closer to Havana. So this right here is sugar country, sugar cane country. One of the reasons why Cuba became so prosperous, and the reason why the Spaniards need to bring so many African slaves over here to the New World, was the sugar, the need for sugar. Sugar was almost more valuable than gold back in the day. And here in Cuba and many of the other Latin American countries, sugar production was easy to set up with the conditions, and you can have harvest more than once a year, have huge plantations. And then you had, of course, labor you brought in from Africa. So many huge sugar plants here. Well, here you can see again sugar fields just as long as the eye can see. We've been riding through sugar cane plantations for several hours now. It's pretty flat here, coming up towards the northern coast of Cuba. But yeah, so sugar was real valuable, and the reason why it became so prosperous here is one of the reasons, the sugar cane. We're getting closer to the northern coast again. This is not that far from La Havana, but we're staying tonight in Varadero, and I look forward to get out of this riding gear. It is so hot, that's why I fold in my flaps here, so get more airflow coming in. We have 31 degrees right now, but it feels warmer. It's quite humid. Luckily there's a little breeze, so that's nice.
It was amazing. I think it's truly transformative, not only on a technical level on the bike. I learned a lot, and the thing about it is that you're on a tour with world-class travelers who have done adventure travel all over the world, and your bike has been all over the world. And besides that, being in Cuba is just another planet. I'm so glad that I could come now and get here before it opens up, you know, some future where it's just going to change.
We have 62 clicks left to Varadero, right here on this peninsula. Might be able to see it right there. That's where we're going. 59 is what it says. Another railroad crossing. There are tons of them all over here. Opa. Now we're getting towards the ocean. Finally. Cardenas, 16 kilometers. Yay! The Caribbean Ocean is back in front. Yo, whoa, 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 whoa! Finally, we see the ocean again after a long, very hot day. And out there in the very horizon, I doubt you can see it on the camera, but across from the ocean there's the peninsula of Varadero, running way out in the water. Just behind the water tower, you can see that in the middle of the picture. On the other side of the ocean is the peninsula, but we're gonna go to the left and all around, come out on the Varadero Peninsula, find our hotel. We got about 20 kilometers left. It's gonna be awesome. It's 1:40. With a little luck, we'll be there a little past 2 o'clock. Get checked in, and then straight on to jump in the ocean. Woohoo! Varadero. Here we come. It's actually an island because we're crossing the bridge here, even though it mostly looks like a peninsula. This is the narrow little strip in between, and now we just gotta go find our hotel here in Cuba's little touristic area. This must be one of the money makers of the country, because there's not many other places that get a lot of tourists. Got wide lines on the road, new pavement. I think this is one of the old 50s gas station right there. And of course with the guys of the revolution, Che, being displayed everywhere. How about that? Green Caribbean Ocean. Right there next to us. Very nice. Gotta love the smell of the ocean, even though the smell of new pavement here is actually pretty strong as well. Haven't had that for like quite a while. We are arriving at our hotel for tonight. Should be nice. Get a little rest here, a little beach time.
I made it!
Yes.
Oh no.
Oh.
He just said I made it to the...
Oh, you're a guy now. You made it to guy level. Okay, we made it to the hotel here in Varadero. We have a nice little room here in Melia, which is a Spanish hotel chain, and gonna head down to that pool. I think it's over there in the trees, the pool for the swimming. That's like a pond, but a nice place, all inclusive. And now it's time to get in the pool. Let's go check this beach out. How about that? Yay! As far as you can see down there is just beautiful sandy beaches, and these beaches are totally natural. No sand has been added. This is just Cuba paradise. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna do some donation here. Here we go. Stay tuned. Another great day of motorcycle riding in paradise. Woohoo! It's just like going back into the 50s here. Just 50s cars everywhere. Amazing. I love it. Oh, look at this. Wow. High Canyon Bridge. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You don't want to go over this rail. But look at these mountains here. It's very jungly.